Darlene here from Darlene's Gardening Channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I don't have a lot to talk about today, but I did want to make a short video, not short enough to be called shorts, but a short video just touching bases with you because I need to make videos several times a week. I promised at least once a week. And it is cold outside, and so I'm not going to go out and work in the cold in my garden. I did have to go out yesterday. One of my plastic covers had kind of misplaced itself. I put that back where it belonged. So hopefully it stays there. I've been thinking about what I want to make videos about now that we're in that indoor season. So one of the reasons I'm making a video today is to get your opinions. I need you to write in the comment what kinds of videos you would like to see me do. Do you want me to talk about the things in my grow room, my peppers and my figs, whatever else I decide to plant in there? Do you want me to talk about my grow lights, where I got each of them and how they work? Would you like me to talk about the things that I ferment and give you more instructions about fermenting? Would you like me to do some cooking and have you watch me while I put some recipes together? Or do you like it when I just chit-chat with you about things that are on my mind? Would you like me to give you some tips on how to be a better communicator? Would you like me to talk about things that YouTube creators can do to get more people to subscribe to their channels? In my head, I know a lot of those, and I've tried some of them. So far, not a lot's working, but I can still talk about it, about what has worked and what hasn't worked for me personally, and what works for a lot of other people. So let's see what else. I could talk about my cats. I could talk about the weather. Oh, I'm sure there's other things that I could talk about. But what I would like is for you to tell me what you want me to talk about. So please, please put in the comment section, things that you would like me to put on my channel. And if I'm putting things on my channel that I know you want to watch, then I know that my channel is going to grow. I have right now 375 subscribers. By Christmas time, I would like to be over 400. And of course, everyone's YouTube goal is to have over 1,000 subscribers and to have enough view time to become monetized. Right now, I'm not even halfway there. So if any of you know of ways to help me get there, you can put that in the comments too. I'm expecting lots and lots of comments on this video because that's what I've been asking you for, are comments. Communicate with me. Let me know what you want me to make videos about. Well, that's all I'm going to talk about today. This video is going to be right in the neighborhood of 5 minutes. I'll probably add a short introduction and a short ending to make it just a little over 5 minutes, kind of like a Toastmaster speech where you're between 5 to 7 minutes. I'm just after 5 minutes right now, and add just a little bit more, and we're going to be probably just around 6 minutes or just a little bit less. So until I make my next video, I am going to be so excited reading all your comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And hit the like button and hit the notification bell along with all those comments. And I will reply to every single comment. I promise. So until I get to read all those comments and until I make my next video, may the good Lord richly bless you. Darlene signing out.